Hello guys, so I'm going to be using these three colors here. I'm going to be using these on 4 of the nails for the whole set. I already went ahead and measured them. I am going to be applying some base gel and then some no wipe top coat at the end. Okay, so I'm going to be applying a thin layer of the base gel. So this is going to be my glue for the little confettis. And I am going to be placing these randomly like so. And I'm gonna go ahead and start working on the other 3. So these are gonna look the same. Going to be curing them for 60 seconds in the lamp. And I'm going to be adding another coat of the base gel on top. Alright guys, so my 4 nails are ready. I'm going to be adding a top coat on top of them just to seal everything together. Cure it in the lab for 60 seconds and then I'm going to go ahead and do 2 of my nails red. So I'm adding some base gel first. Then I'm going in with this one from Model Ones in the number 240. It's a bright red. And I am going to be doing 2 coats on each nail. And now I'm going to be topping them with some top coat and curing it in the lamp again for another 60 seconds. Alright guys, so for the 2 pinkies, I decided to go with a white nail polish, and this is a gel polish. So this one does not get cured in the lamp. So I'm going to be adding 2 layers. First, I'm going to be adding one, letting it dry really good, and then adding the other one. Then I'm going to go in with a top coat that's not required to go in the lamp as well. So this is how my set is looking so far. I'm going to be adding some bling now. And I'm just going to start just randomly, guys. I just do as I go. I don't have a pattern. So, yeah. Guys, and this is my set. I'm happy with how they turned out. So now I'm going to be fixing these nails, guys. I do have some overdue gel. Looks so ugly, and they are stained with hair dye. I've been dyeing my hair burgundy, so it does stain them. So I'm going to be removing the gel. It's so easy. I'm going to be removing it with this cuticle pusher. Just FYI, I do have the video on speed. And it does look like if I'm going a little harsh, but I'm not. I'm very careful with this. You guys don't want to get hurt. So yeah, just make sure you guys take your time. So I went ahead and did my nails off of camera, and this is how they turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one.